Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your subscription with Kling AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are at klingai.com, and as you can see, we're all logged in. Up at the top right hand corner you'll find your account icon, and if you hover over with your mouse, you'll see that here you don't have any information related to your subscription. However, just to the left, you'll see here where it says upgrade plan, and you'll see your credits. If you click on that, that's going to bring you to the subscription page. You can see here that there is a manage button. We're going to go ahead and click that, and you'll see that you have no active plan at the moment, but that is where you'll be able to see that once you have a subscription set up. Right now, you can see that this is set to current. It is on the basic $0 per month. You have 3 other options that you can select. If you want to go back to the free plan, then you'll want to select here and it will go back to showing current there. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.